Hello, welcome to the video on multiplying and dividing fractions. This is our fourth example set D. And what we have here is an exercise we're going to be evaluating. And evaluating is when we're going to be plugging in values for variables into particular expressions and then simplifying those expressions. Okay, so if you weren't quite familiar with that terminology, that's all that means. So we want to evaluate the expression using the following values for A, B, and C. And then of course, if our answers are in fractional form, which most of them are going to be, we want to make sure they're written in simplest form or they're fully reduced. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this works. So our first expression is AB. So remember that means A times B. So our A value, okay, is 2/7 and our B value is 1/3. So we want to go ahead and plug in those values for A times B. So this would be 2/7, okay, multiplied by 1/3. Now notice I'm using parentheses. When you're evaluating in algebra and in mathematics, anytime you're evaluating a value for a variable, you always want to get in the habit of using parentheses, okay? At least initially, and then from there you can kind of drop the parentheses. But A times B, given these particular values, means 2/7 times 1/3. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop the parentheses now. And this just turns into a basic fraction problem. So we're going to multiply 2/7 times 1/3. So we're going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, and that's as simple as it's going to get, and that's it. So AB is equal to 2/21. All right, so let's go to our next expression here, and that'd be C divided by B. Okay, so C is this value here, 4/5. So this would be 4/5, and I'll go ahead and write my parentheses, divided by B, which remember is 1/3. Okay. All right, so that's the setup. And when you're evaluating, you always want to kind of double check and make sure that you plugged in the right value. So C is 4/5, yep. And B is 1/3, so everything checks out. So this is going to be 4/5 divided by 1/3. Okay, so this is a real basic problem here. This will be 4/5 times, remember we're going to flip the divisor here, 3/1. And then we'll go ahead and just do this basic multiplication of fractions. So 4/5 times 3/1 will be 12/5. Okay, and that is fully reduced, 12/5, and that's it. Okay, it's not too difficult. Let's go ahead and take a look at our last two problems. So here we have 1/2 C. So this is going to be 1/2 times C. Okay, and if we recall, our C value is 4/5. This is going to be 1/2 times 4/5. Okay. All right, so 1/2 C means 1/2 times C. So this would be 1/2 times 4/5. All right, so let's go ahead and do this here. This would be 4/10, okay, is our answer. But is that fully reduced? Nope. Our answer is going to be 2/5. Okay, that's our product when it's fully reduced. All right, not 4/5, not 4/10, 2/5. Okay, so our final problem is going to be 2/3 times A. So that once again, this is a product, 2/3 times A. So 2/3 times our A value, which was 2/7. Okay, so 2/3 times 2/7 is going to be equal to 2/3 times 2/7. And when I do that, this is going to be 4/21. Okay, and I have all my prime factors here. So nothing cross cancels, so that's it. 4/21 will be the product. Pretty straightforward. Just another exercise where we're practicing multiplying and dividing fractions, and a quick review on what it means to evaluate. All right, so keep working hard, and we'll see you soon.